another wonderful day, babies. This is your nurse Sam. For today's video, I would like to share to you my Harry Potter adventure in Riyadh. If you also want to try this new attraction in Riyadh, book your ticket in WeBook, and this location can be found in Riyadh Boulevard. Don't forget to invite your friends and bring your own camera. Since I was young, I was really an avid fan of Harry Potter. So when I heard that there is already a Harry Potter expo here in Riyadh, I grabbed the opportunity to visit right away. Sit back and relax and enjoy the rest of the video. And if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's enter. The sound effect, it gives me a nostalgic feeling. It's so magical talaga. Tara, samahan niyo pa po ako. Iba rin talaga ang Riyadh. Lumi-level up na. Oh, saan ka pa ba? May pa-fireworks pa sila. At tara, pasukin naman natin ang main dining nila o ang tinatawag na The Great Hall. As I can say, one of the best part ng Harry Potter experience is itong moving photo booth nila. You can enjoy it multiple times. Unlimited ba? All you have to do is to scan your barcode and choose your background, or there's someone also who will assist you while doing it. And now, let's move to the Harry Potter Grand Staircase. Syempre, may special din dito. May pa-experience din sila ng moving staircase nila. At syempre, papayag ba ang cameraman ko na hindi niya ma-experience ang Grand Staircase? O diba, ibang level? And we are now here in the virtual Marauders map. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang kanilang majestic diagonally, kung saan pwede kayong bumili ng mga souvenirs and even costumes na pwede nyong gamitin sa mga next booth or area nila. At dito nyo din matatagpuan ang replica ng mga magic wand ng mga character ng Harry Potter. Medyo expensive nga lang, pero napakagandang tignan. Dami talagang mga souvenirs na pwedeng bilhin dito, lalo na kung fan ka talaga ng Harry Potter. Magdala ka ng extra mong pera, yun lang masasabi ko. At syempre, dahil pusong Gryffindor tayo, papayag pa tayo dito tayong makakabili ng scarf. And now, let's experience their battlefield, the Quidditch pitch, kung saan lumilipad-lipad sila at naglalaro. Kung sa version natin sa school, intramural ba? At syempre, hindi kumpleto ang Harry Potter experience kung di tayo sasakay sa walis. Magpapaka-witch muna tayo for today's video. Then you can print your photos under photo booth. You just have to pay a certain amount of reals. is a miniature replica ng Hogwarts. Ang galing ng details. Kuhang-kuha. Anong sa inyo? At kung nabitin kayo sa mga pa-souvenir nila sa loob, meron din sila dito sa labas. Isa lang talagang masasabi ko, Budol is real. At pag napagod po kayo sa kakalakad, at the end, meron po silang parang fast food where you can buy their foods and drinks na may i-enjoy nyo talaga. And that's it for our Harry Potter adventure experience here in Riyadh. I hope you enjoy this video as much as we enjoy making it. Please like and subscribe and follow me for more fun video, travel, and lifestyle videos.